Hi there. Ever wondered how the briquette installation process works? Contrary to what most people think, it's actually really easy. Anyone can do it, enjoying professional results that stand the test of time. Let's get started. As with anything in life, preparation is key. We start by covering the floor area and removing any moldings, outlet covers. We then move on to perform a basic layout, marking wall studs and establishing benchmarks. Now, when it comes to the metal panel grid installation, each panel has the male end on top and the female at the bottom for intuitive interlocking. Now that the initial layout is complete, we can see if the bottom of the brick needs to be cut. In this case, it did. So we trimmed the bottom of the panel. From here, we begin installing the first panel at the bottom. The panels interlock with one another. We're sure to maintain a space of about 1/4 inch between the panels, using a flat nose clamp for proper alignment. So when it comes to fastening the panels, it's always important to use the right fasteners that fit your application. Here at Briquette, we use one fastener per raw of brick vertically, every 16 inches horizontally, matching the framing studs. We then notch the panels around any obstacles. Now, this ledge panel we're currently working on is continuous, meaning there's no need for starter channels. It adapts to corners itself. Next, we use a level to check the installation. Note, panels actually install quickly. Speeds are only limited by fastening methods. That's why we recommend power tools and nail guns where necessary. However, this wasn't applicable in this scenario. Now for the main event, the brick installation. Bricks always arrive in small boxes for easy handling. We spread adhesive onto the brick, installing 2 courses to ensure a proper fit between the wall ends and other obstacles such as windows. Once this is done, we vertically mark the brick coursing pattern spread about every 5 to 6 feet. We then go on to install all bricks in a vertical fashion. We can now install the field brick between the marked brick columns without the need to measure each one. This really helps to speed up the whole process. So, how do we cut bricks to fit? Using masonry diamond blades or brick splitters. For this video, we're using our New York used brick. It's got the best of both worlds, a warm, soft feel, but stunning imperfections that give it its character. Now for the grouting. First, we mix water and briquette mortar mix. We make sure it's thoroughly mixed through, after which we insert a metal tip into the bag to ensure a tight fit. We trim the end of the bag with a knife. However, this isn't always necessary. We fill the bag with mortar mix. Careful not to overfill it. Slowly start to fill the horizontal joints, followed by the vertical ones. Remember, there are many different joint tooling methods. In this case, the customer wanted the joint to be left in a rough state to give the basement a rustic, old-school feel. Basically, no 2 installation days are ever the same. But once you understand the basics, anything is possible.